Hello traders. In my yesterday's gold analysis I said that I expect gold to reconquer 2000 figure, and indeed gold closed shy above 2000 with a solid daily gain of around 130 pips. As always, I put my money where my mouth is, and at this moment I have two running buy trades with a total of around 700 pips. Anyway, I'm making this video as an update for those of you that closed gold or didn't enter. So as we can see, gold is in a very clear uptrend, and after this correction is recovering and now is trading towards the previous high, which I expected to be broken. As always, if I have a strong bullish trend, I'm looking to buy dips. And for this, let's go to on 1 hour chart. So on 1 hour chart, we can clearly see that, as I said yesterday, this is a bullish flag, so the correction. This correction is over, so we can consider this higher low. And for buying, traders could look for a correction to this level, so around 2006, 2010. And as I said, we can expect after this correction a reversal, a resumption to the up move. The first point of interest is this previous high, but as I said, I expect a new high from gold, so we can look around 2050 as a round figure, or even higher to the previous all-time high. That's it for this short update. Bye bye.